Okay guys, real quickly wanted to show you the next step in getting Adobe installed onto your machines via your school license. So to refresh, not that, you should have done the first steps, which are going to self-service. Now, if you don't have self-service and you don't have it yet, you have to get to the ER ASAP and make sure that's installed. It's an important tool for you in these next couple steps for us. It's a dead end right now, but it's a dead end on some other things, and it's important for you to keep that installed and get reattached to the network properly. So get that done if you don't have self-service somewhere in your Launchpad. Okay. So we go to self-service. I've already searched, but let me just take you back here so you can see when I go to Adobe, it gives me the Adobe Creative Cloud install. Remember that if it says reinstall, it doesn't mean you have to reinstall. Probably means you've installed. It means you can reinstall if you're having some problems, okay? To confirm that it's installed, plus, this is what you need to do for your next step. You're gonna go to the Finder. You're gonna go down here, click on the Finder. If you don't have, it doesn't pop up a window, sometimes you need to file new Finder window and get a window up there. You're gonna click on Applications. You're gonna find Adobe Creative Cloud folder. If it's not in there, you go back and reinstall. And then this is the Adobe Creative Cloud installer. You're gonna click on it, okay? Now, I already have Adobe Creative Cloud installed. Otherwise, it would have taken you to a step where it pops it up as a web browser, and it makes you confirm your district account. So it'll make you log in. In past years, it's required, it's sent a code to your account, and then you have to put the code in, and then it goes forward. Very important, it will take you to a fork in the road, which I can't show you because I've already selected it, where you have a choice between the personal account and it'll say school or enterprise, I believe. Sometimes they change the wording, but you definitely want to choose the school one. What that is asking you is who's gonna pay for this? Personal means you, and they'll immediately say, okay, give me your credit card number. You don't want that. You wanna enjoy this software for free. It's one of your perks for being in here. So you're gonna do that, and then these reflect that I have installed all of this software. You should not install this much on your machine because they just don't have enough space for it. So choose wisely. But what you do need, it will look like this, okay? And the two I want you to install now, the very first one that you have to have installed ASAP is Photoshop. That's what we're rolling with first. So get that installed. After that, install Premiere Pro. Those are the two I want you to have. You are welcome to install and check out any of this other software, understanding that their demands on your hard drive and your memory are pretty big. So do it judiciously. It's also why I want you to learn to take care of your files, keep your updates clean, keep your hard drive pretty clear. Use the cloud, use the Google Drive the district gives you to store all your files so your software runs smoothly and fast. And if you do that well, you can afford to play with some of these other bits of software. So those are the basics of what you need to know. I'm sorry I can't show it to you from the student perspective because I'm not a student, but hopefully that gets you through. Feel free to ask me any questions in class or come in on homeroom. I don't want you to lose a day. So catch me on homeroom so you don't fall a day behind in this install process. All right. Thanks, guys.